Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by committing to a specific bedtime and working backwards 7-9 hours to set your wake time. This creates a consistent sleep window. Once done, reduce bright screens and switch to warm lighting 60-90 minutes before bed so melatonin can rise naturally. At the same time, make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and uncluttered. Put away work items. These initial steps prime your body and environment so you can move into calmer, sleep-ready behaviors. Now you execute a consistent pre-sleep ritual that signals your brain it's time to rest. Pick 20-30 minutes of low-stimulation activities like light reading or gentle stretching. Make sure to stop heavy meals, alcohol, and vigorous exercise at least 2-3 hours before bed because they disrupt digestion and sleep architecture. Once you sit or lie down, practice diaphragmatic breathing or progressive muscle relaxation to lower heart rate and quiet the mind, which helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. You finish by getting into bed when genuinely sleepy, not simply because it's the hour. This increases the chance you'll fall asleep promptly. If you're still awake after about 20 minutes, get up and do a quiet, undemanding activity in dim light until sleepiness returns. Avoid screens. Make sure to tweak bedtime by 15-30 minutes if you consistently wake early or struggle to fall asleep, and track your results for 1 to 2 weeks to refine timing and troubleshoot persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.